Math 7 students, we're back again, and it is time to review how to add and subtract fractions. So, there's two ways to add and subtract fractions. With like denominators, and with unlike denominators. Okay? In this first video, we are going to review how to add and subtract fractions with like denominators. Super simple. Super easy. Okay, if I have this fraction 3/4 plus 5/4, okay, and we notice that the denominator, this part right here, the bottom number is called the denominator, it is the same. And that's important for us to look at because what we want is to know, here we have 3 out of 4, and here we have 5/4. So these are already the same size. These pieces are the same size, and we're just going to add them together. So, how many fourths do I have if I add 3/4 and 5/4?
3/4 into 5/4. Wouldn't that be 8/4?
It would be 8/4.
8.
3 plus 5 is 8.
Couldn't that be reduced?
This can be reduced to
4/2.
which also can be reduced
To 2/1.
which is 2. Okay?
2.
We're not really worried about the reducing fractions right now. It's good that you noticed it, and that is how you reduce it. 8, or you could just say 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay? So, but we do want to make sure that we know that this is 8/4. Okay? Very simple. What you're looking for is, are my denominators the same? Let's all say it together. Are my denominators the
same?
Same. Okay? If they are the same, you just add the top numbers. Okay? If you had okay, now we're doing subtraction. The rules are the same. Look at the denominators. What do you notice about the denominators? They are the
same.
Same. I like that. Okay? So I can just subtract the top two numbers. Yes?
It would be 1, wouldn't it?
1. Yeah, 1.
1/7.
There you go. Okay?
Yeah.
1 is an incorrect answer. But you have 1/7. So that means if I have 5 pieces that are divided into 1/7, 5/7, and I subtract 4 of those away, I'm left with 1. Okay? Yes?
So you can't reduce that anymore because they're uneven numbers, right?
Well, they're both prime numbers.
Yeah, they're both prime.
You can't divide these.
Once there's a 1, you're done, right?
Right. Yeah, once one of them is 1, you can't reduce anymore. Or you have 2 numbers that are both prime numbers. So, the important thing to remember, like denominators, super simple. You're just going to add on the top or subtract on the top, whatever operation they tell you to do. And that really is it. In the next video, we'll talk about adding and subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. Go ahead and stop.